Imagine a world where every corner of your home could shine effortlessly, where every stain and crumb would disappear like magic, leaving behind nothing but purity and freshness. This world is now within reach with the UWANT B100 fabric sofa cleaner, a revolution in the maintenance of your interior. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your UWANT B100 right away. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. The fabric sofa cleaner is ideal for families, pet owners, and anyone looking for an effective solution to keep their interior clean with minimal effort. Perfect for those who value cleanliness and comfort, it is specially designed for sofas, carpets, upholstery, and even the interiors of cars. The lowering technology is state-of-the-art. An automatic cleaning brush is activated with the push of a button, simplifying post-use cleaning and saving you time. The universal wheels make it easy to move, making cleaning smooth and effortless, while the large 1.8L tank minimizes the need for repeated refills, allowing you to clean more in less time. The UWANT B100 is not only powerful, but it is also incredibly quiet, allowing you to clean without the fear of waking a sleeping baby or disturbing the tranquility of your home. And that's not all. Its A-class filter system effectively traps dust, returning a clean and fresh breeze to the surrounding air. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Every detail of the UWANT B100 has been designed for your comfort. The 5-meter cable and 1.6-meter hose provide great freedom of movement, while the automatic cable rewind mechanism prevents the hassle of tangled cords. The cleaner is also equipped with a convenient holder for storing the hose and brush, ensuring that everything else is organized and easily accessible. This cleaner excels in various scenarios, whether it's for removing pasta stains from your 4-legged companions or refreshing your sofa. The UWANT B100 adapts to your needs. It leaves no residue, no stains, only cleanliness. Its water heated to 50 degrees effectively breaks down grease and dirt, optimizing the cleaning process. UWANT is committed to providing not only an effective cleaning tool, but also a hassle-free user experience. The UWANT B100 is covered by a 12-month warranty, affirming the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and performance of their products. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1: powerful suction of 12,000 PA, able to effectively eliminate embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris on various surfaces. Advantage number 2: quiet. Its operation at 70 dB allows for discreet cleaning, making it ideal for homes with children or pets. Advantage number 3: large water tank. The clean and dirty water tanks of 1800 ml and 1600 ml respectively allow for cleaning large areas without the need for frequent refills. Advantage number 4: easy cleaning and storage. The self-cleaning function and automatic cable rewind reduce the time spent on post-use cleaning and storage. Advantage number 5: portable and lightweight. Weighing only 4.7 kg and equipped with wheels, it is easy to transport and maneuver around the house. Advantage number 6: heating the water to 50 degrees. It improves cleaning efficiency by breaking down grease and stubborn stains more easily. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1: maneuverability on thick carpets. It may be less effective on very thick carpets or long pile rugs due to its design optimized for standard upholstery surfaces and medium carpets. The UWANT B100 fabric sofa cleaner is not just a cleaner, it is your daily cleanliness partner, ensuring an immaculate interior with minimal effort. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description to order yours at the best price, discover even more benefits, and browse through the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews who have already taken the big step towards revolutionized cleanliness. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.